Hi, my name is Hilal. I work as a UX manager at Google, leading a team designing, researching, and prototyping data visualizations. I've had a windy career path. I worked as a scientist, a designer, a front-end engineer. I enjoyed all these roles, and even though I refuse to be labeled, some people call me a polymath or a generalist. In place of a true specialty, I consider my strongest skills to be my growth mindset and adaptability, which have enabled me to wear different hats, be self-sufficient, and get things done. If you look back even 10-15 years ago, the right career move was to specialize, so you could be so good at something and be the sought after in the market. But now we have YouTube tutorials. Anyone can learn any skill for free. And machine learning has become a part of pop culture. We have virtual assistants, robotic surgeons, putting job markets in danger for specialists. Robinson Eaton, Dr. Aisen, Caro, Chasin, and I would like to hold a panel around what it means to be a generalist in today's world of artificial intelligence and automation, and how the adaptability of generalists will profit tomorrow's job market, as well as keeping our workforce relevant. We're so excited to talk about this topic, and thank you for your consideration.